The rain didn't stop, and neither did their fear. Huddled together in the rain, they were waiting for help that never came. One of them stopped moving. Time was running out. They couldn't ignore their cries anymore. Their bodies were shaking, but they still held on. If we were 1 minute late, they wouldn't survive. For the first time that night, they felt warm. Look at their eyes. They still trusted humans.
Thanks for explaining.
They were abandoned, but not forgotten. The storm ended, and hope finally arrived.